I take the spoon and I make like this. I make a little circle. Little circle is like this. I don't need to use all the pan. I don't need to cook like that. Now the fire is in the middle. It's not around. That's the fire. The temperature is different. I need to stay different. Totally different. I take the knife and I start. I cut the top. I need to take out the seeds from inside. You think I make like this? Like move. Inside the salty water. That's. If you knock, she stay open, put out. When the shell is broken, put out. If you are not sure, put out. After you nearly double check that no one finishes at the toilet, we are here to learn something new. Enjoy. Put the crabs in the side, look between the shell. Have a space. 1, 2, 3. The best location is never the neck. The second. Here. Like this. The second. Very good. Finger here. Take that. And now you're going on the up with the zigzag movement. Like this. See? Very slowly. Yeah, enjoy the moment. Okay, I make like this and I put the poop on my finger. The poop is not forbidden. A poop is inside also when prawn or shrimps are frozen. That's if you want to make barbecue with some friends, remember to clean what they cook. Now you change hands, take the prawns here and take the poop with your two fingers and go to the oven. One step. If you want to clean your hands, we have a tool.
Here, Jason and Chef Jason is making this right now with the paella.
We've just added the smoky, what is it?
Paprika.
Oh, the paprika.
And he has his beverage right over here. There it is. Okay, so when he says he can't cook, everybody go to his house.
Now I need to use the secret ingredient.
Everyone taking pictures.
2 minutes. The rice needs to be between crunchy and crispy.